Indigenous Automobile Manufacturing Company Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is set to hit the market with affordable cars of high quality for average Nigerians. As the company plans to expand its capacity, it wants governments to implement the local content policy in the purchase of vehicles for parastatals. Chairman of Innoson Group, Chukwuma, said this as he received the management of Nigeria Station of the Year, TVC, in his office at Nnewi, Anambra State. Ikenna Amechi reports.
According to the National Bureau of Statistics, over 1.2 million used and new cars have been imported into the country in 6 years, with over $8 billion spent annually to import these cars. One indigenous automobile manufacturing company is bridging this gap with an innovation. The visit by the CEO of TVC Communications to this manufacturing plant in Nnewi is an eye-opener to what Nigerians are doing to ensure that products from the country compete with orders from any part of the world. It is heartwarming to know that most parts of these cars are manufactured right here in Nigeria, as the company has over 8,000 staff engaged at different stages of the production chain. The bulletproof vehicles are not just the only area the company is looking into. Innoson has something new on the way.
Anybody who is interested in bulletproof car and go secure all the documents for NSA, we can produce for them. You can't say people go out of the second-hand car without producing a new car that is cheap. So now I'm producing a new car that is cheap from 3.5 million. I want Nigerians to see Innoson Vehicle as their own thing, because anywhere you see Innoson Vehicle in the whole world, it is from Nigeria. It's like a mark of Nigeria.
The federal government is insisting that federal parastatals and agencies must patronize indigenous manufacturers. So if a federal parastatal or agency is buying a vehicle, they must first of all consider those ones manufactured or assembled in Nigeria.
Over 11.7 million vehicles are in the country, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. This makes Nigeria a huge automobile market. At the end of the tour, CEO of TVC Communications is impressed with what he saw.
What an incredible opportunity it is for Innoson Vehicles and Company to exploit such a huge market. But to me, the most impressive thing about what we've seen here today is the quality of the vehicles that are being manufactured. They are world class, beautifully finished. Innoson want to sell vehicles. We have a huge audience in Nigeria that Innoson can use to sell their cars, and similarly we want to partner with Innoson because of the quality of the product that they produce.
We're here at the Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing site, where this Nigerian is actually in the business of manufacturing cars for Nigeria and for the African market, and they are partnering with TVC to ensure that their products don't just stay in the Nigerian market but go to Africa and the world, and this is a win-win situation for both companies. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Nnewi.